Yes, good morning, dear students. Today, in this video clip, I want to discuss about that is the second year physics, especially that is the first chapter problems, and about that is the electric force and the electric field. When you calculate the electric force or you set the electric field, at that time you take the charge. If it is positive, you take the positive. If it is a positive, a negative, you take that is also positive. And one more, I kind request all of the students first you have to subscribe for this channel. That is a physics video, please. And one more point, you press that button, subscribe, and then you press that is a bell button. Then you become a subscriber. It is my request. After completion of that is a video clip, ಆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕ್ಲಿಪ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗತ್ತನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕ್ಲಿಪ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು 3 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 3 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. When you calculate the force between the two charges, at that time, if it is positive, take the positive. If you take negative, you have to take the negative. If you take the magnitude, you got the force only. Suppose you write the sign conventions, at that time, force becomes negative. F becomes negative. What is the indication of this one? It is the attractive force. Suppose F is positive, you want the positive, that indicate the force is repulsive force. One charge positive and the charge negative ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ನಾನು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಎರಡು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಅಂತ ಎರಡು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಬಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. Positive indicator is the repulsive force. Anyway, electric field. Now, electric force formula you know this one. 1/4π according to Coulomb's law. 1/4π Q1 into Q2 divided by R square. This is the force between 2 point charges. Then electric field at a point due to the charge 1/4π that is Q divided by R square. This is expression for the electric field. This is the expression for the force. Now we solve that problem. What is the force between the two small charged spheres? Two small charged spheres having charges of 2 into 10 to the power of -7 coulomb and 3 into 10 to the power of -7 coulomb placed 30 cm apart in air. Now see here, one of the charges is positive. Now another charge is also take the positive, and this is set to the R. Now this is the force, it is a repulsive force. F is set to the repulsive force. Now what is the value of Q1? Q1 is that is 2 into 10 to the power of -7. What about the Q2? Q2 is 3 into 10 to the power of -7. What about the R? R is set to be 30 centimeter. This is R is equal to 0.3 meter. What you have to calculate? Force you have to calculate. What are the given value? Charge is given and distance between the two charges is given. What you have to calculate? Force you have to calculate. Okay. Now what is by Coulomb's law? By Coulomb's law. By Coulomb's law. By Coulomb's law. What you got to see here? F is equal to 1/4π Q1 into Q2 divided by R square. Yes, this is equal to 9 into 10 to the power of 9. Now 2 into 10 to the power of -7 into 3 into 10 to the power of -7. 4 divided by 0.3 whole square. 0.3 whole square. Now see that. This minus 7, minus 48. 3 into 2 is 6. 6 into 9 is 54. I think this is 54 into 10 to the power of 9 plus 9 minus 7. How much you got? Plus 2. Plus 2 minus 7. What? Minus 9. Divided by 0.09. This is 54 into 10 to the power of minus 9. 10 to the power of minus 9. That is divided by 9 into 10 to the power of minus 2. What do you want? 9 6 are 6 into 10 to the power of minus 5 into 10 to the power of plus 2. What is your answer? 6 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into is the first. What is the answer? 6 into 10 to the power of, what do you want? 6 into 10 to the power of minus 7. Okay. Now, next problem. 6 into 10 to the power of minus 3. We come to the point next problem. Yes. This is the second problem. Second problem a positive charge of 10 microcoulomb, a positive charge of plus 10 microcoulomb is placed 1 meter away from the similar negative charge. Calculate electric field at a point 1 meter away from the each charge. Nodi, ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. Now you see here plus this is positive, this is said to be Q1, that is 10 micro plus, and 1 meter away similar negative charge. Similar means negative charge Q2 is equal to minus 10 microcoulomb. Okay, this is 1 meter away. Suppose this is said to be A, this is said to be B. Then you have to find out at this point the 1 meter is 1 meter. Calculate the electric field at a point 1 meter away from each charge. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದನೂ 1 meter, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದನೂ 1 meter. 1 meter away from the each charge ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದನೂ 1 meter ದೂರ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದನೂ 1 meter ದೂರ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸಿ. This is what kind of charge? Positive. Due to this charge, the electric field in this direction, this is said to be E1. This is what kind of charge? Negative charge. What is the direction of the electric field? Toward the charge. This is said to be E2. E2 this is. Okay. Now, electric field resultant electric field should be in this direction. Now this is 1 meter, this is 1 meter, this is 1 meter. Here triangle ABC is equilateral triangle. It means equilateral triangle. Therefore, angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to 60 degree. ಇದು 60 degree ಬರುತ್ತಾ, ಇದು 60 degree ಬರುತ್ತಾ, ಇದು 60 degree. ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇದು ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ, 120 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು 120 ಟೋಟಲಿ 120. Now this is said to be theta. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ನಾ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಅಂತ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಎಸ್. Now see here, electric field. What I want to find out here? E1 you have to find out. Then E2 you have to find out. Then E you have to find out. Then alpha you have to find out. Electric field ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ಈ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ನಿಂದ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು E2. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ರಿಸಲ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ಇಷ್ಟು electric field at C due to Q1, that is E1 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 divided by AC square, equation number 1 along AC, sorry, E1 is equal to 9 into 10 to the power of 9, Q1 is 10 into 10 to the power of minus 6 divided by AC square 1 square. Therefore E1 is equal to E1 just work ನೋಡಿ 90 into 10 to the power of plus, I think it is, that is 3, this is divided by 1. Therefore E1 is equal to 9 into 10 to the power of 4 Newton per coulomb. ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ at C, due to, that is Q2. What is here? This is the E2 is equal to, that is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q2 divided by, that is DC square along this. E2 is equal to 9 into 10 to the power of 9 into negative ಇದೆ, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ 10 into 10 to the power of minus 6 divided by DC square 1 square. E2 is equal to 90 into 10 to the power of, ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು, that is said to be 3. Therefore this is equal to 9 into 10 to the power of plus 4 Newton per coulomb. E2 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬಂತು. E2 is equal to 9 into 10 to the power of 4 Newton per coulomb. E1 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು, E2 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬಂತು. ಯಾವುದೋ ಎರಡು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಅವು ಏನಾದರೂ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ, ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅನದರ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್. ಇದು ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಇದು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್, resultant electric field should be midway between them. But what is the resultant electric field? Now see here, resultant electric field at C, E is equal to under root of E1 square plus E2 square plus 2E1 into E2 cos theta. What is the cos 120 degree? What is the value of cos 120 degree? That I have to take here. Cos 120 degree. Yes, cos 120 degree is, I think it is negative. That is minus 1 by 2. Yes. That you have to write here. E1 is equal to E2 and E is equal to cos 120 degree. That is, I think it is minus 1. Yes, this is equal to E1 square plus E1 square minus 2E1 square plus. This is again what to take here. What to take here? Minus 2 plus 2, and this is minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. E1 into E1 square minus 1 by 2 positive value. Now E is equal to root of 2e1 square minus cancel here e1 square remaining root e1 square. Therefore resultant electric field is equal to e1 only, that is equal to 9 into 10 to the power of 4 meter per second. ಅದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬಂತು. ಯಾವುದು ರಿಸಲ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬಂತು. Now what is the direction? Direction should be midway between them. Here E1 is equal to E2. E midway between E1 and E2. That is alpha is equal to 60 degree. ಹೀಗೂ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಥರನೂ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇವೆರಡೂ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಈ ಅದಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮಿಡ್ವೇ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದೆಮ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಯೂಸೆಡ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಎಷ್ಟು 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 120 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ 120 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅರ್ಧ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್, ಈ ಥರ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋದದ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ, ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ದಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಅದನ್ನ ಇವಾಗ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ನಾವು. ಎಸ್, ಮಿಡ್ವೇ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್. ಇಲ್ಲ ಬರೆದಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಎಸ್, ಯಾಕೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಈ ಥರ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ tan alpha is equal to other side E1 sin theta. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಇದಲ್ಲ, ಇದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈ ಸೈಡ್ E1 sin theta, E2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅದೇ E1 ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ದಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಯು ಟ್ರೈ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹೋಮ್ ದಿಸ್. Suppose this is tan alpha. Tan alpha is equal to what here? E1 sin theta divided by E1 plus E1 cos theta, and tan alpha is equal to ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, E1 sin theta. ಅವಾಗ E1 sin theta divided by E1 into 1 plus cos theta. ಹೌದಾ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. tan alpha is equal to ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯು ವಾಟ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ E1 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯಿತು, sin 120 degree divided by 1 plus that is I will take this cos 120 degree, 120 degree, that is the sin 120 degree, right here 120 degree divided by this is 1 plus minus 1 by 2, this is sin 120 degree. I think it is root 3 by 2 to take it, root 3 by 2 I think it is, and again take divided by 1 by 2. again another cancel again root 3 by 2 into 2 by 1 cancel again, root 3 by 1. But tan alpha is equal to root 3 and alpha is equal to tan inverse of root 3 by the answer is 64. ಈ ಥರ ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಆ ಥರ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಭಾಳ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಭಾಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ sin theta divided by in E vector E2 plus E1 cos theta. This is the formula. Alpha is equal to alpha is E1 into interchangeable. This is about one problem. And one more problem, third problem. want to take this third problem I have to take here. Third problem is there are two positive charges plus 9 coulomb plus 9 coulomb and plus 9 nanocoulomb and plus 4 nanocoulomb are placed at the points A and C. Are placed at the point A and C. ಆಮೇಲೆ respectively of right angle triangle ABC in which angle B equal to 90 degree. ಇಲ್ಲಿ angle B ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 90 degree. Yes, AB 3 cm, BC 2 cm. ಹೇಗೆ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿ ರೈಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ A ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಥರ್ಡ್. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇವಾಗ ಇದನ್ನು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ನಾನು. ಇದನ್ನು ಬಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎ ಬಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ಎ ಬಿ 3 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಇದೆ. ಎ ಬಿ 3 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದು. ಎಸ್, ಇದು ಎ, ಇದು ಬಿ, ಇದು ಬಿ. This should be 90 degrees. One thing. Angle B is 90 degrees. Angle B is 90 degrees. At point A, this is Q1. Q1 is 9 coulomb. Q1 is 9 coulomb. What about Q2? Q2 is equal to 4 nanocoulomb. 4 nanocoulomb. What is the AB? What is AB? AB is 3 centimeter. AB is equal to 3 centimeter, 3 into 10 to the power of minus 4 meter. AB. And BC is 2 centimeter. With 3 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter. This is 2 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meter. What do you have to find out here? Find the magnitude and direction of the resultant electric field at B. Magnitude and the direction of the ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಈ ಚಾರ್ಜಿಂದ ನಾವೇನು ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ ಇಟ್ಟು ಬರೀತೀವಿ. ಈ ಚಾರ್ಜಿಂದ ಇದು ಈ ಕಂಡು E1 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದು 1, E2 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದು 2, E1 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದು E1 E2 E ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದು. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಆದರೂ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ನಾವು ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಇಟ್ ದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಎಸ್. Now theta, what is the value of theta here? Is theta is equal to 90 degree. 90 degree. Yes. So see here, this is a charge Q1. Electric field at B due to this charge is given. This is charge Q2. Electric field at this point due to this charge is in this direction because they are away from the charge. Because both our charges are positive. Now this is the resultant electric field. It shows the direction. Theta is equal to 90 degree. Here theta is 90 degree. Alpha indicates direction of the resultant electric field. Yes, fine. Electric field at B due to what? Q1. Electric field at B due to Q1. What is what here? E1 is equal to 1 by 4 by epsilon naught Q1 divided by E1 ಬರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಇದು AB square. E1 ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕು along what is say AB. E1 is equal to 9 into 10 to the power of 9 into Q1. 9 into 10 to the power of minus 9 divided by AB 3 into 10 to the power of minus 2 whole square. This is equal. ಇದು 81 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇದು 3 square 9. ಇದು 9 into 10 to the power of minus 4. ಇದೆಷ್ಟು 9 9 into 10 to the power plus 4 become 4. What is what E1? E1 is equal to 9 into 10 to the power plus 4 Newton per coulomb. This is what the E1 electric field. Similarly, you have to calculate the E2 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. electric field at B, electric field at B due to Q2 have to consider. E2 is equal to what you want here? E2 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Q2 is the charge away from the charge because it is positive. Q2 divided by this is CV square. CV square. This is along CV. Along CV. Okay. Yes, E2 is equal to 9 into 10 to the power of 9 into what is the charge here? 4 into 10 to the power of minus 9. What is the distance here? 2 into 10 to the power of minus 2 per square. Right? Okay. E2 is equal to 9 4s are 36. Okay, divided. This is 4 2 is to 2. This is 10 to 2. This is 4 9s are 9 into 10 to the power of plus 4 into 10 to the power. Once again, let's see here. This is E2 is equal to what we got here into E2 is equal to 9 into 10 to the power of 4 into 10 to the power of positive. Yes, same electric field we got here. Even yesterday, E2 no yesterday. Resultant electric field at B E is equal to under root of whatever we take here E1 square plus E2 square plus 2E1 into E2 cos theta. Yes, and E is equal. Nodri under root of same equal here E1 is equal to E2. E1 is equal to E2 ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ E1 square plus 2E1 square. What is the theta here? 90 degree. This is cos 90 degree. Cos 90 is 0. Cos 90 is 0. Therefore, E is equal to under root of 2E1 square plus 0. Now this is E1 into root. Therefore, E is equal to E1 into root. What is E is equal to? That is E1 is 9 into 10 to the power of plus 4. This is 1.414. What is your answer? You with the help of calculator, you have to calculate it. Yes, yes. With the help of calculator, this is 9 into 1.414. Yes, numerical. 12.726 into 10 to the power of 4. This is the resultant electric field at point B. ಈ diagram draw ಮಾಡೋದು ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. What are the given value? How you want to draw this one? ಅದು ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ here E1 is equal to E2. E midway between them. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ಫಾ should be ಅಲ್ಲಿ 90 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 45 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಥವಾ ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು tan alpha is equal to ನೋಡಿ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಇದ್ದು E2 sin theta ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲಿನ ಪ್ರಮಾಣ E1 sin theta ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಇತ್ತು E2 ಕಡೆ ಇತ್ತು ಆ ಉದ್ದೇಶ. ಎಸ್ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ E1 plus E2 cos theta ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಿದೆ tan alpha is equal to ಇದು ಸೇಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲ E1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ E1 sin 90 degree divided by ಇದು E1 ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು E1 ಅಲ್ಲ cos 90 degree ಹೌದಾ theta ಮಾಡಿ 90 degree tan alpha is fine. Tan alpha is equal to what is this? This term becomes 0. This is E1 into 1. That is E1 plus E1 into 0. What will be here? Tan alpha is equal to this term is 0. E1 by E1 is equal to 1. Alpha is equal to tan inverse of 1. This is equal equal to 45 degree. Because tan 45 is equal to 1. Therefore, here alpha is 45 degree. What is the meaning of this one? The resultant electric field at an angle of 45 degree to the direction of V1. How you say the direction of the resultant electric field? The direction of the resultant electric field at an angle of 45 degree to the direction of the V1 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಒಂದು ಕೈಂಡ್ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೂ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಒಂದು ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿರಿ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಯು ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ದ ಲೈಕ್ ಬಟನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಫಾಲೋ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿರಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಅನಿಸ್ತಂತಂದರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಬಟನ್ನ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗೋದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿರಿ, ಅದು ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.